Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Woochitra. Woochitra is a tool that will help you to add videos on your e-commerce store. That means whenever you will showcase any product on your e-commerce store, you can add here images very easily, but you cannot add here videos very easily, right? But if you use this Woochitra plugin on your e-commerce website, then you can easily use any type of video on your product showcase snippet. I hope you get the basic idea, guys, and I will show you step by step more detail after some time, guys. And they are running their lifetime deal, and it's an private lifetime deal. As you can see, there are freelancer plan, studio plan, and agency plan. On freelancer plan, you will get their 5 website access. On studio plan, you will get access of 25 website, and on agency plan, you will get access of 100 websites. So depending on your need, you can get any plan. So these are the things, guys. And if you are a early bird, then you can also get 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Woochitra lifetime deal. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Woochitra and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for you in case of your e-commerce website. And there is no actual platform of this tool, guys, because it's a plugin, right? So you have to install this plugin on your website. But see, this is the dashboard actually. As you can see, I have 100 token, and token means you can add here this number of website. That means in my case, I can generate 100 tokens and I can add 100 website by using my Woochitra plan. That means I have gotten this agency plan here. These are the things, guys. And they have token. To add the token or to add the website, you have to at first generate the token, right? So just go to this create to create the token, and then you have to click here create token. Let me click here create token, and then see this token has been created. I'll copy this token, and then I'll go to the back end of my e-commerce website, and then I'll upload this plugin. Let me upload it. So see, this is the plugin, and then just install it. You will get this plugin here, guys. Let me show you. See, there I have download button. If you just click on this download button, then you will be able to get this plugin. Just click here download Woochitra, then the plugin will be downloaded. I have already downloaded it previously, and then I will install it here. After installing, now I will activate it. So it has been activated successfully, guys. Now we have to use our token here, right? See, this is the token that I have been generated. I will copy it again, and then you will get this Woochitra on your Woocommerce section. See, there I have Woochitra. So just to go to this Woochitra section, and then here I have to insert the registration key. So let me paste it here, and then save changes. So see, successfully activated. So in this way, you have to use your token basically, and that's really amazing. For 100 website, you will get 100 different token. That means in this way, you can use it for your agency plan. Let's say you have 100 clients. So if you share only one key to one person, then they can share it to other person also, right? But this token system is really amazing. If you share this token, then by using only one token, your client can use it on his only one website. So in this way, you can protect your total number of website. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. And in this way, you have to install and activate your Woochitra tool. After that, now I will show you how you can use it in case of your product showcase. To do that, at first I have to go to this product section. See, they have product, and in my dashboard I have a lot of product here. Now let's say I will use this second one, bicycle gloves pink, and let me visit to this product at first. Let me show you how it's look like before using Woochitra here. Just let it be loaded, guys. See, here I am seeing only one image, right? But if I want, I can add here different image also. But by using this Woochitra tool, I can also use here videos. These are the things that I want to show you. So let me enter to this edit section. Just edit, click here on this edit. Then you will get a dashboard like that. Now from here, if you scroll down, then you will get the Woochitra dashboard here. See here, they're saying to enter the URL of the video. That means the video that you want to show on the product page, you have to just enter the video URL here. So let me find one video. Let's say I will use this one. This is the video that I have published before. Then from here I'll just grab the URL of this video. Let me grab it, guys. Let me copy it. Sorry, let me just copy it, and then here I have to go to the dashboard, and then here I have to enter the URL, and then here it will be added. And also you can add thumbnail here in case you want to add thumbnail, then you have to give the thumbnail URL here. But let's say I do not want to give this thumbnail. And then they have aspect ratio. You can select any aspect ratio that you want. Let's say I will select 16 by 9. You can select 4 is to 3 also, 1 is to 1 also. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys. Now I have to update these things. Let me update it from here. So it has been updated. Now if I go to the product page, see, this is the product page, and previously there was only the image. Now if I reload it, then I hope I will get the video. So it has been reloaded, but I am not getting any video here. So let me try it again, guys. I'm extremely sorry. Let me paste the URL again, and then maybe I have to click on this add to list. Okay, they're saying add video and image link in field. So I have to give the image URL also here. So let me find the image URL. This is my thumbnail, and this is my thumbnail URL. I have to copy it, and then I'll paste the thumbnail URL also here. And then if I click on this add to list, then it will be added. Yes, then it will be added, guys. So you have to click on the add to list option, and you have to give the thumbnail also. It's mandatory. So it has been updated. Now if I reload this product page, let me reload it. Then from here, see, now I can see the video. See, here is the video. Now people can play the video from here. So these are the things, and here I have added only YouTube URL. But in your case, if you want to add any other source URL, let's say you want to add video from Vimeo, from Facebook, from Reddit, it is possible, guys. So you have to just make sure that you are getting the correct URL. You have to paste here the correct URL, and then it will be added on your product page. So these are the things. If you think you need this type of feature by which you want to add videos on your e-commerce website's product page, then definitely I think you need this Woochitra lifetime deal. And they are running their lifetime deal on their private website. See, here is the limited time offer, lifetime deal. You can get this lifetime deal from Woochitra. I'll give the link of this Woochitra lifetime deal in the description of this video. Also, you can get 10% discount, guys. Just use this coupon code here, and it will give you 10% discount. And see, here are the pricing. For 5 website you have to pay 59 USD. For 25 website you have to pay 119 USD, and for 100 website you have to pay 199 USD. But you can get 10% discount, guys. Don't forget to use this early bird coupon. So these are the things, and this is the complete review of this Woochitra lifetime deal. Also there have solo plan and unlimited plan, guys. Depending on your need, you can get any plan that you want. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video again.